this video, we'll demonstrate how to install wool pile weather stripping on a window to help reduce air and water infiltration. Before getting started, make sure you have the correct size and type of wool pile for your window system. You'll need basic tools, including scissors, a flat putty knife, a utility knife, glue, and a clean cloth for surface preparation. Begin by removing any existing weather stripping from the sash or frame. In most cases, the weather stripping is engaged in a T-slot. If the T-slot is closed on each end by the sash weld, it must be opened on one end or the other by using a utility knife and carefully cutting a small window on each side of the T-slot. Then, using the tip of the utility knife, carefully coax the end of the old weather stripping from the T-slot as shown and slide it out. Use a putty knife to loosen old material and clean the groove to remove any dust or debris. A clean surface ensures a secure, long-lasting fit. Then, to reinstall new weather stripping, you may need to cut the T-slot on one end. If you did not do this earlier in the process, feed the weather stripping evenly across the entire track. Sometimes this can be difficult due to the restricted opening and can be made easier by using a spray furniture polish sprayed into the T-slot to lubricate it. Wipe away any excess after the weather stripping is securely in place. Check that the pile stands upright and isn't pinched or folded over. When you're reaching the last inch of weather stripping, you can use glue in the channel to lock it into place. If needed, you can use a flat blade putty knife to insert the weather stripping into the channel. Repeat this process for each groove on the sash and frame where weather stripping needs to be replaced. Once installed, test the window operation to confirm smooth movement and a proper seal. If necessary, trim any excess material or adjust the fit.